Bagels sliced like loaves of bread are seriously upsetting people. And before you go and say, why is this news IO? Aren't there more important things to talk about than bagels? To that I say, no. Welcome back to InformOverload, the news channel that tells you about everything that's trending on the internet that YouTube will allow us to monetize. I'm Charlotte Dobre. Hit that subscribe and notification bell so you never miss one of our videos. Today on IO, I'm going to tell you about a very, very disturbing tweet. One that will likely make you very angry. I apologize in advance for those that I will upset, but here goes. On March 25th, Alec Krautman tweeted this photo of 2 boxes of bagels. The bagels shown are not sliced horizontally like this. It shows them cut like loaves of bread. The caption read, "Today I introduced my coworkers to the St. Louis secret of ordering bagel bread sliced. It was a hit." A hit with whom? A hit as in I want to hit this box of bagels off the table, if that's what you mean? What is this witchcraft? I shall not stand for it. Are you telling me that people from St. Louis slice bagels like this? You should all be ashamed. Shame! 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 Bagels are supposed to be sliced horizontally, not vertically. Newsflash, a bagel is not a slice of bread. Bagels have holes in the middle. What about the pieces that are on either side of the hole? Oh my god, those are just gonna be like tiny little slices. What the f is that? It is already efficient enough to consume a bagel bite by bite, but now you are slicing them into smaller slices so they look like pieces of bread on a bruschetta dish. Am I supposed to put my strawberry cream cheese on each individual slice of bagel? Because I refuse. I ordered a bagel, not bruschetta. This is blasphemy! And Twitter agrees. The tweet went viral with many sharing their utter disgust with these blasphemous bagels. Here were some of the best responses. Rebecca Rose tweeted, "Je téléphone à la police." Can I call the police on these bagels? Excuse me, 911, yes, I would like to report some bagels. Pony Star Wars tweeted, "Okay, I live in St. Louis and I would like to clarify that we are not all sociopaths." Well, thank goodness for that. Tony tweeted, "This isn't a hit. This is, hey, let me find the worst and cheapest way to feed 25 people with 12 bagels." Facts. You know what, guys? I have already had a very, very bad day. I'm sick and I'm sniffly. I coughed in a casting director's face and now people are eating vertical bagels. I'm upset. The good news is Panera Bread, the bakery that provided these disgusting excuses for bagels, is giving Alec Krautman free bagels thanks to his tweet. Good news for Alec, but I still have to look at this disgusting picture of bagels. It's giving me anxiety, frankly. I'm just gonna change the subject and respond to some comments. Unstoppable Apollo said, "Damn, this entire time I thought you guys were broke and doing this for free cause it's fun." No. Batman Fan Forever said, "Charlotte's sick because she went outside in Canadian weather without a coat. Canada, where you have to wear a coat even in the summer. Canada, where it's always cold. Canada, we don't know what hot is." Dude, you've clearly never been to Toronto. In about 2 months, Toronto's gonna be as hot as Cairo, Egypt. Christian said, "Hey Charlotte, my birthday is today. Can I get a birthday dance?" Fair. Happy? Marco said, "Are you sick because you ate Chuck E. Cheese pizza?" No, I am sick because everyone at the office is sick and I'm pretty sure it's Lucy's fault. Elizma Jordan said, "I feel 10 times smarter watching IO." Well, good for you! I'm sorry, I'm really tired and sick. This is my last video for today, so if you want to keep watching IO, click this playlist right over here, and obviously leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so I can see you in a future IO video.